I picked up a butane torch. The brand is ZEBRE, listed for desserts and I guess charring meat, stuff like that. Obviously, oops, bunch of warnings. Be careful. Fire, hot, burning, that kind of stuff. Never thought to use it on pizza. Interesting. I was mainly going to try to do the creme brulee top kind of thing here. So instructions, it does not come with any butane, so that will be a separate thing here, filling that in. How to use it. So I've been meaning to make creme brulee every so often, and just have been using the broiler to try to do that. So, gotcha. So here's how to fill it. So we're looking for those kind of butane, long nozzle, it says. Fill it. Let it rest after filling it. Okay. So here, there's the filling port. So it's obviously metallic. And here's the gas volume control, how much output you want. Has a should spark as it turns on the gas there. And that apparently doesn't do anything. And we've got these nozzle attachments to help you inflate if you don't have the right nozzle type there. Okay, so I will get some butane, fill it up. We have the ignition button. That's a lock over here. Interesting. So we can just lock. Once you pull that, lock it on, running, so you don't have to keep holding the trigger. That's helpful. So control how much output with the dial there. Turn the click the button and press lock to do it. And if we release the igniter, it should stop the gas and it should go out. And you can adjust obviously the amount of flame with this as it's running. So that's the look without the butane. So let me fill it up and give it a try. Alright, so I fueled up here, kind of sprayed a bit everywhere, let it calm down for a bit. The instructions are to put the gas setting kind of in the middle, squeeze the trigger, and there we go. And this is supposed to be a lock. Indeed, it is. And you can get more or less flame. So let me try it out on a creme brulee. Alright, so a little bit of sugar on the creme brulee. I'm going to just kind of try the medium setting here. And
Looks like it's melting and starting to burn. Maybe I should go a little bit higher, closer. I've actually never done it with a torch. I've only used the broiler. There we go. And we got it. So that is that. I just need to practice. So that's that. Hope that's a helpful look. Have a great day.